Brampton is 70 kilometers due east of Abbott. Here, this is mentioned on the diagram, and there is important information. It is that it is due east. Brampton is 70 kilometers due east of Abbott. So okay, this is north. Do you know these things? North, and it is east. And as you know, the angle between north and east is 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is 90 degree. As we know, these two north are parallel line. This angle will also be 90 degree. The next, the bearing of Corwood from Abbott is 15 degree. The bearing of Corwood from Abbott, this is Abbott, is 15 degree. So this is the bearing from north clockwise. This angle is 15 degree. And the bearing of Corwood from Brampton is 290. This angle is 290 up till here of Corwood from Brampton. Now student, with the help of these information which is given in the question, we can find some more information, some more angles. And as you know, this north line and the second north line over here are parallel line. So this angle 15 degree and these two angles are interior angles. So this angle will be 180 minus 15, 165. And as you know, this whole angle is 360. This whole angle is 360. If you subtract this 290 from this 360, and you will get this much angle. It is 70 degree. Okay. And this north line, this north and this one, they are both parallel. So this 70 degree angle and this angle are interior angle. So 180 minus 70, this angle is 110. Now we can easily calculate this angle by subtracting the sum of 165 and 110 from 360. 85. Similarly, you can observe over here, this total angle is 90. If you subtract this 70 from 90, you will get this much angle, which is 20 degree. Similarly, over here, this total angle is 90. If you subtract this 15 from the 90, we will get this much angle. It is 85. No, sorry, 75. Now we have found all the three angles of this given triangle. So the part A is done. In the B part, calculate the distance between Corwood and Brampton. We have to calculate this distance, let me call it x, to the nearest kilometer. Now we will use here sine rule. Let's use the sine rule. And using the cross multiply, this side is 67.87. And as per the instruction of the Cambridge, we will round this up to the, sorry, it is written in the question, give the answer to the nearest kilometer. So this will be a 68. So this is 68 kilometers.